I like to wait at least 10 weeks, maybe 3 months before we do a dose change, because sometimes it takes that long to really see the full benefit. My personal feeling about any medication is that you really want to be on the lowest dose that works. Anything after that, you're just getting extra medicine for no particular reason. I sort of try and start people on the lowest dose I think is going to work. And I'm actually been pretty good at that. So it usually works. And occasionally, it's probably a little too low of a dose for someone and we have to increase the dosage. But I like to try to wait at least 10 weeks before we do that because, you haven't gotten really the maximum benefit. Now, if somebody's really miserable and they want to raise the dose, I'm happy to do that.
And with the compound medications and the patches, Dr. Green can adjust as needed. And so I think what I hear you're saying, you will adjust accordingly, but you want to give it that first couple of months and then we'll review.